Hey guys, here I am with another video on the 2001 Toyota Tundra. So if you happen to own a 2000 through 2006 Toyota Tundra Access Cab, the most common problem you'll have dealing with the Access Cabs is, see this little window latch this is a brand new unit. I just recently replaced it today and as we speak. And this right here is the old one. You may notice with the old one right here, the plastic is very brittle. Over time, these things get old and they always known to break. The only thing I've seen in the videos is where you have to replace this whole pivot arm, but not with me not having the patience to replace this pivot arm, I decided to just buy the whole unit. And if you want the part number to the lock assembly for the back window, there you have it. If you have, this is for those of you with tan interior. I know they also have them also in gray for the majority of the Tundras. With gray interior will have a gray one. But this is also a common problem as well with the 1st-Gen Tacomas. All you gotta do to get the door panel off, there's a screw right here. Another one right here in the armrest, which I got the door panel off right here. And you got to remove that trim piece around the door handle, and it's just held in with clips. And be sure to take the screw out when you're replacing this little piece right behind the latch assembly, and put in the unbolt the 10mm bolts, because this is a very common problem if you own one of these 1st-Gen Tundras. Installation is going to be basically the reverse of removal. Once you get your door panel back on, make sure you test everything, make sure everything's working like it should. Oh, and one unique thing though, it comes with a brand new seal. So yeah, hope this little quick guide helps you guys out. And I know a lot of you are probably going to roast me in the comments saying, oh, you could have replaced the little pivot arms with these little aluminum ones and save a little money. I tried to, but knowing me not having the patience and losing the little metal piece that goes into the pivot arm, I decided, like, why not just bite the bullet and buy a whole new latch assembly, or the lock assembly, what Toyota calls it. So hope this video helps you guys out, and thanks for watching.